Hey everybody, my name's Aaron Alonso. I'm on the sales team over here at Brantford Honda. Today I'm super pumped to bring you this video. We're looking at a brand new look at a 2024 CRV Sport. Only thing is, with this model, we've got the HPD performance kit put onto this vehicle as well. Let's check it out. Let's see what this HPD kit adds into this all new sport model. All right, checking out the exterior of this 2024 CRV Sport. Of course, this is in crystal black pearl, but on top of that, as I mentioned, this is going to have the first look at the HPD performance kit that's going to be built on here. That's going to give us a first look at the 18-inch bronze rims with the HPD decals on the side, and then it's also going to give you that super aggressive body cladding right over the wheels. Of course, you see the HPD badge right in the top right corner as well. And this CRV Sport is going to be equipped with a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine. Overall, everything looks really good. I've always been a huge fan of how these 11th generation CRVs look on the road. They look awesome. All right, let's check out the checking over the interior. Of course, this is a CRV Sport model. So in this Sport, we're gonna have a couple things added. We're gonna have the heated steering wheel right down below. Then over on the left-hand side in this instrument cluster, we're gonna have the power tailgate. I can open and close the tailgate from here. In the infotainment, this will have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. All your climate controls, heated seats right down below. And we do also have a drive mode selector, as well as like your auto idle start stop toggle on and on. Good sized cargo space in the center console. And of course in the CRV Sport, we're gonna have a cloth interior with a little bit of leather splashed in. And of course a sunroof right up top to finish this all off. Looks pretty good. All right, well that's a wrap on the 2024 CRV Sport with the HPD kit installed as well. If you have any questions for me about this vehicle, about its availability, pricing, whatever the case might be, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call at 519-761-1838, or you can find my email address tagged down below in the corner as well. Until then, enjoy the weekend. Hope to see you at the dealership soon. Bye for now.